To begin with, we need to perform a daily test to check if the scanner is in the right condition. Make sure power on the scanner and let it warm up for at least 30 minutes before the test. The phantom should be placed in the center of the measuring plate with the label facing towards the door. Now go to the Insight software and open the Daily Test module. Click the Start Daily Test button. The test takes around 30 seconds. If the scanner does not pass the test, you will need to do some checking, including checking the scanner itself and the room condition. In this tutorial, we use isoflurane gas anesthesia for the knockdown procedure. Injection-based anesthesia could be an alternative based on specific aims. Go to the Animal List module and create a new doctor profile. Then select the doctor and create a new experiment log for the animal. Place the sedated animal in the center of the measuring plate. Carefully check the nose cone position if gas anesthesia is applied during the scanning. Go to the experiment log and navigate to the measurement page. Let's do 3 consecutive tests. Each scan takes around 25 seconds. After the scanning, navigate to the analysis page. Now we have 3 completed tests in the log. Click the ROI button, then exit. The results of the full body analysis will be generated.